Embrace your weird.
Be yourself.
There are no secrets to success.
But you will succeed. Don't give up.
What if I'm terrible at this? My first piece of advice would be to be yourself. I think when I was younger, I thought that I needed to, at work, I needed to be the very organized woman who is a rule follower, kind of the typical successful woman at work. And I realized that wasn't me, and that's not how I do well. I also thought that I shouldn't like sports or be competitive, those types of things, but I love sports and I love competing. I love running races. I've run a couple races already in Kyrgyzstan. I love skiing, and these are all things that I feel good about doing now, and I know that that's who I am, and that's okay.
First piece of advice is dream big and go strategically after your goals. I found it very helpful to write down my dreams and my goals and break it down into smaller pieces. Because if you have a really, really big goal, whatever that is, that seems maybe too big to reach, but if you break it up, you're gonna get there one day.
The quote that I would recommend for my younger self is, there are no secrets to success. It is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. And as I have developed my career, I have found that this is actually, in many ways, the secret to success.
One piece of advice I would give to myself is to embrace your weird. Embrace the aspects of yourself that set you apart from others, because it's also what makes you special.
Do you remember when you first really internalized that piece of advice, or when you realized why it was important?
That's a good question. I think I've always known I'm a little bit weird, but I think I realized that being unique is a positive thing, and it brings like a diverse perspective, diversity of opinions, and that's something that should be celebrated and not shied away from.